Assalamualaikum dear students. In the last live session for integrals, we saw exercise 7.1. 6 sum we stopped. We did from first 5 sums we did few sums, and 6 sum we stopped. And now we will see few sums. Exercise 7.1. Let me do the 7th sum. I equal to 7th sum. What is given? I equal to integral of x square into 1 minus 1 by x square. Now listen. Integral of is actually, this is a symbol. Whatever inside, if we have to, that is what we call it as integrand, right? We call this to be our integrand, right? Now, if it is one integrand, we know we'll check what is the formula for that integrand, and we will do it. If it is two integrand, what we will do? If it is two integrand or three integrand, what we'll do? We'll try to simplify it with a normal simplification, decomposition process, or if any formulas or any known identities that we have studied in our lower classes, 9th, 10th, 9th standard, 10th standard. We'll try to simplify it. In some cases, we cannot simplify. In those cases, we'll use other methods like substitution method, UDV formula, Bernoulli's formula, like that. Okay. But in this exercise, we don't have such sums. Those sums, substitution method, all the other things, we'll see in the upcoming exercise. In this exercise, if there are two integrands in product like this, x square into 1 minus x square, two integrands are there as a product. Now, in these cases, what we will do, we will not use the substitution method or anything else. We will simplify it and we will integrate it. So, what simplification I can do here? I'll just multiply this with this and this with this. So, what I'll be getting? X square into 1, x square minus x square into 1 by x square. What will happen? X square into 1 by x square. What will happen? X square cancel, so nothing will be, so 1 will be left out. So integral dx. Now it is a single integrand now. X square minus 1. It is not in product of two. It is not a product of two terms. It is a single term now. Now I can split it as integral x square dx separately minus integral 1 dx separately. Now this 1 dx I can simply write it as integral dx alone. No need to write that 1 dx. Simply can write that 1 into dx as dx itself. Last session in integrals, I have told you integral dx is x, integral dy is y, integral d theta. Yes. So, and what is the formula for this? What is the integral of x square? We know the formula. Integral of x power n dx. What is the formula? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So 2 plus 1. What here? The power is n is what? The place of n I have 2 here. So 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus integral dx. I have told you last video itself, integral dx is x, right? So the integral of this is x. Whenever we do indefinite integral, when there is no limit, we call it as indefinite integral. For that, we will just put this plus c, constant. So what I can do, 2 plus 1 is what? 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3. So I can write it as I equal to x power 3 by 3 minus x plus c. So this is the answer for this integral, right? So that's it with the 7th sum. Now we will move on to the next sum. So 7.1 is very simple. We don't have any complicated methods over here. We'll go with the basic integration, but we'll use some simplification to make it simple, right? So 7.1, 7th sum, it is easy to understand. Then let me go with the 10th sum. 10th sum, it is not actually two integrands. It's a product of two terms, but it has become single term like this. Root x minus 1 by root x the whole square dx, right? Now what I will do is, it is on the form actually, it is root x minus 1 by root x into root x minus 1 by root x. This is what actually, if you see, it is actually a product of two terms, but since it is same, it has been a single term whole square, right? Now for this, what I'll do here also, I can use the simplification work. What simplification we can do here? We can use the a minus b whole square formula and expand it, then we will integrate it, right? It is difficult to integrate like by giving like this itself, so we'll use the a minus b whole square formula. So a square plus b square 1 by root x the whole square minus 2 into a into b, 2 into a into b the whole bracket dx. Now we all know root x the whole square is what? Square root cancel x. Here 1 square 1 by root x whole square is what? Square root cancel, I get x. Here root x cancel, I have minus 2. So dx. Now actually we can split it, or simply we can integrate the formula. What is the formula for x? What is the formula for 1 by x? We can do it. Now what derivative of x, integration of x is what? We have the formula. What is the integral of x power n? Integral of x power n, what is the formula? Just now we saw for the previous sum, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. And what is the formula derivative integral for 1 by x? Integral 1 by x dx, the formula is log of mod x, log of mod x, right? 1 by x integral formula is what? Log of mod x, and 2 is a constant. So if you want, you can split it like this: integral x dx separately plus integral 1 by x dx separately minus 2 is a constant. Take it out and simply write integral. Actually, you should write integral 2 dx, integral x dx, integral 1 by x dx minus integral 2 dx. We should write like this, but this 2 is constant. We can take it out and we can write it as 2 times of integral dx. Now we know we have the formula for this. I have written it. So x power 1 plus the power is 1, right? Nothing is there, means the power is 1. So if I use this formula, x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 1 by x integral is what? Log of mod x, log of mod x minus 2 into, I think last videos I told you to memorize the formulas for integrals. If you don't memorize, it is difficult for you to. If you know the formula, it is easy, right? Integral dx, we know it is x. So plus c. So what I can write? So I equal to, I can finally write it as x power 1 plus 1 is 2. So x square by 2 plus log of mod x plus log of mod x minus 2x plus c. Right. Now some of you might have a doubt, like why 1 by x integral is log of mod x. Actually, I have told you in the last video itself, we saw the concept of antiderivative. What if I differentiate, I'll get 1 by x. Now listen, log x derivative, try to differentiate log x. What is the derivative of log x? We know it is 1 by x. Yes. So log x, if I differentiate also, I'm getting 1 by x. Log of minus x, if I differentiate also, 1 by minus x. Then I have to differentiate this minus x, I'll get minus 1. So minus minus cancelled, minus minus cancel, and I'll get what? 1 by x. So log x, if I differentiate also, I'm getting 1 by x. Log of minus x also, I'm getting 1 by x. So with the if you tell with the concept of antiderivative, differentiation of this also I'm getting 1 by x. Differentiation of this also I'm getting 1 by x. How can I club these two and write it in a single term? X and minus x I can write as log of mod x. That's why 1 by x integration is what? Log of mod x. That is what I have written it here. Okay. Right now this is the answer for the 10th sum. Now we will get into the. Now we'll do the 12th sum. So exercise 7.1, exercise 7.1, 12th sum, I equal to integral of x cube plus 3x plus 4, x cube plus 3x plus 4 divided by root x dx, root x dx. Now how I can write it? I can write root x is nothing but whole power 1 by 2. Let me actually 1 plus 2 by 3, how will you split it? I can write 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 only. We will write it as like this. Now go it in the reverse form. It is like this. You should convert like this. Right. So split it as x cube by root x, 3 plus 3x by root x plus 4 by root x. So if we split like this, what will happen? equal to integral of x cube by root x dx plus integral, let me split the integral also now itself, plus 3x by root x dx plus integral 4 by root x dx. Right now, let me do the simplification work here. X cube by root x is nothing but x power 3 by x power 1 by 2. Root x is nothing but 1 by 2. Take it to the numerator, I'll get it become x power 3 into x power minus 1 by 2. X power 3 minus 1 by 2, which is nothing but 2 3 is 6 minus 1, x power 5 by 2. Right? So same way x by root x, I can write it as x by x power 1 by 2. Let me write it directly. X power 1 minus 1 by 2. If I take it, it will become minus 1 by 2. So 1 minus 1 by 2 is x power 1 by 2. Now this, if I take to the numerator, it will become x power 1 by 2. If I take to the numerator, it will become x power minus 1 by 2. So I can write it as integral of, instead of this, what I can do, this is not the integration, I'm just simplifying it. Okay, don't get confused. In the place of this, I'll just replace with this. I'm not integrating it, I have simplified this like this, right? So x power 5 by 2 plus 3 into x power 1 by 2 plus 4 into, take it to the numerator, they'll get x power minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Now this is easy for me to integrate. So x power 5 by 2, x power 1 by 2, x power minus 1 by 2. For all the three terms that I have here is, I have to use which formula? That x power n formula. So what is the formula for integral x power n? I'll just use that formula. This 3 is a constant. Keep it as it is, or you can take it to the front. Actually, from this sum, I'll not split it separately, taking the constant separately. All those things I'll not do. I'll do it directly. I'll not do it directly. So x power n, what is the formula? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Right. Now, if I use this formula for this, x power 5 by 2 plus 1. X power 5 by 2, x power 5 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 2 plus 1. X power 5 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 2 plus 1. Then plus 3 into x power 1 by 2. Now x power 5 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 2 plus 1. This part over. 3 is constant. Write the 3 as it is. X power 1 by 2. If I use this formula, x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. Then plus 4 into x power minus 1 by 2 plus 4 into x power minus 1 by 2 plus 1, because here the power is what? Minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c, we have to put it there. Right. Now what I can do, what is 5 by 2 plus 1? 2 plus 2 on the 2 plus 1, 2 plus 5, 7 by 2. So let me rub this side. So what will be the answer? X power 5 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 2 plus 1. I can write it as x power 7 by 2 by 7 by 2 by 7 by 2 plus 3 into x power 3 by 2. 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus 4 into x power 1 minus 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 plus c. Now what I can do, I can bring this 2 to the numerator. I can write it as 2 by 7 x power 7 by 2. I can bring this 2 to the numerator. 2 into 3, I can cancel this 3 and this 3. Right, bring this 2 to the numerator. It will become plus 2 into x power 3 by 2. Bring this 2 to the numerator. It will become plus 8 into 2 into 4. It will become 8 into x power 1 by 2 plus c. Now this is my I for the 12th sum. Now let me do the 13th sum. I hope so far it's clear for everyone. Let me do the 13th sum now. Sum. What is the question? I equal to integral of x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Now here I can't do with that the previous procedure. Here we have, before that we should do some simplification. That is, from these two terms take out x square common. What will be left out? x square, if I take out common, x minus 1 will be left out, plus this is nothing but x minus 1. Let me put it in bracket for my convenience. Nothing wrong in putting a bracket over there. Dx. Now from these two terms, what I can take common? I can take out x minus 1 common. What will be left out? X square is left out here. Here nothing. There is plus 1 will be left out by x minus 1 dx. Now what I can do? I can cancel these two. Now what is that? I equal to integral of x square plus 1 dx. Now I'm not going to split it as I told you. Integral of x square is nothing but x cube by 3 plus integral of 1 dx. That is integral dx is nothing but x plus c. So that's it. So the in sum is simple. It looks complicated, but it is simple. That's it. So then let me do the 19th sum now. So 19th sum, secant square x by cosecant square x. So actually 7.1. 19th sum, I equal to integral of secant square x by cosecant square x dx. Now here what I can do, now we are getting into the trigonometric. So far we didn't see the trigonometric, we have been doing with the x power and formula itself. Now we are getting into the trigonometric ratio. Right. Now secant square by cosecant square. What is secant? Secant is nothing but 1 by cos, right? Secant theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta, and cosecant theta is nothing but 1 by sin theta. If I use these two identities here, I can write it as integral of secant square. I can write it as secant means 1 by cos. Secant square is 1 by cos square x. 1 by cos square x divided by cosecant is 1 by sin. Cosecant square is 1 by sin square x. Now bring this to the denominator and bring this to the numerator. Right? So that's what we usually do. If it is a by b by c by d, what we will do? We'll bring this b down and d up. So we'll write it as ad by bc. Right? The same procedure I'm doing it here. And the same procedure I'm doing it here. So what is sin? So if I take this to the numerator, it will become sin square by I equal to integral of sin square x by cos square x dx. Now what is sin by cos? Tan. So sin square by cos square is tan square x dx. Now I don't have any integral formula for tan square x. For tan x we have, but for log of mod of secant x, right? But for tan square x we don't have any formula for tan square x, right? So we have for secant square x. Integral secant square x is tan x. Integral of secant square x is it is tan x, because tan x, if I differentiate, I'll get secant square. So integral of secant square is tan. So but I have tan square. What we can do now? I have a trigonometric identity. Secant square theta equal minus tan square theta equal to 1. We all know this identity. With the help of that, what I can do? Tan square, bring this side, so it will become secant square theta. 1 will come this side, it will become minus 1. Minus tan square, it goes inside, it will become tan plus tan square. So tan square theta, I can write it as secant square theta minus 1. So secant square x minus 1, I equal to integral of secant square x minus 1 dx. Now I can split what is the derivative of integral of secant square x? Integral secant square x dx. Just now I told that integral is nothing but tan x, because tan x derivative is secant square x. So integral of secant square x, secant square x is what? Tan x minus 1 dx. 1 dx is, it is nothing but dx. So integral dx is x. So plus c. So that's it. This is the answer for the 19th sum. I equal to tan x minus x plus c. Right. So the 20th sum, the last session of this, last one for this session. So you can try the do the 20th sum now. So after completing the 20th sum, we'll stop. The remaining sums of 7.1 easily you can do, because I have covered almost all the different model sums. Any sum if you take it will be definitely it will come under any one of the category. Right. So 20th sum 2 minus 3 sin x I equal to integral of 2 minus 3 sin x by cos square x. Right. Now I can write it as 2 by cos square I equal to integral of 2 by cos square x minus 3 sin x by cos square x dx. Now for 1 by cos square, what I know 1 by cos is secant. 1 by cos x is secant x. I know. What is sine by cos square? Sine x by cos square x. I can write as sine x by cos x into 1 by cos x. Yes, sine by cos into cos is cos square. So instead of writing like this, I'm just splitting it into cos square. Right? So 1 by cos is secant. 1 by cos is secant means what I can do? I equal to integral of 2 into, take it, 1 by cos square will become what? Secant square x. 1 by cos square is cos is 1 by cos is secant, 1 by cos square is secant square x, right? Minus, this is nothing but 1 by cos is secant, sine by cos is tan. So this is nothing but secant x into tan x, right? Dx. Let me repeat. 2 into 1 by cos square. 1 by cos square is secant square x minus sine minus 3 into, I'm sorry, 3 into, I'm just taking this part alone, this term alone, I'm just taking it, simplifying it. Sine by cos square is sine by cos into 1 by cos. Sine by cos is tan, 1 by cos is secant. This 3 is there in the front. Now, this constant, let me take it outside. For the sum, since this is a sum will be confusing, let me do it like this. Integral 2 secant square x my dx. Actually, first of all, we should split like this. 2 in integral 2 secant square x dx. Or let me do it directly. Don't waste time. We'll do it directly itself. Now 2 is constant. 2 is constant. We will keep as it is. What is the integral of secant square? Integral of secant square x is what? What if I differentiate? I will get secant square. Tan x derivative is secant square. So integral of secant square is tan x. Same way, integral of secant x into tan x. What if I differentiate the what derivative of what is secant x into tan x? Derivative